Enjoy what Johny shows. Johny shows. Johny shows.
This place is so big. This could be anywhere.
Charlie could also be there. We need to stay focused. You hear me? Wait, is that Charlie? Wait, where am I? Why are my friends not rescuing me? I think I have to escape all by myself. Oh my god!
Most delicious ingredient.
I know another one there. Oh, slide to start? What's this? Okay, blue. Okay, what's next? Yellow. Okay, yellow is easy. Nope. Didn't try again. No. Careless. What's next? Okay, red. That sounds easy. Okay, let's just put it. Nope. Yes! What's next? Okay, green. Number one.
Spectacular!
Okay, the mini rod mask is here finally. Yay, think so! Okay, let's just put it on. Okay, guess it's gone! Oh, sorry, Mandy, I didn't mean to.
I'm going to keep checking the cooks.
What up, Ron? I work here. Whoa, why are you chasing me?
Stop your whining! Nobody cries in the ice cream van. You are disgusting. I can't put you in my ice cream.
Why is it so cold?
These kids are driving me crazy.
Oh man, he told me they're so cold. Let me check if it's open. Oh, it's not open. Oh, I'm sure this crowbar will work. Let's just open it. Oh, this works. Oh, I forgot this thing. Oh, Mom.
Where has the chubby boy gone?
Go that side. of them here. Let me just try. Oh, let me go, let me go, let me go, let me go. Okay. Haha, you don't notice me now. Oh, Josep's office? Place 2 medallion pieces to enter? Okay, do not have one. Oh, well, let me check if it's open or not. Okay, it can open. Oh, nothing is in here. Oh, control room. We try to open it. Oh, it doesn't open. Oh, I know what it is. Maddie's key goes here. I have to get the key from Maddie. Okay, what's this door? Let me see. Skin in my face! Okay, I'm sure it's open. Okay, good, it's open now. Okay, let me just... Nothing interesting. Okay, let's just... Oh, a sweaty sock! Okay, let me just use it. Let me just grab it. Oh no, Rod is there. I have to give him a surprise or something. Oh, this thing could do it. So I can... Hey Rod, come here. I got a surprise for you. Okay, I tempered the milk. Now I have to temper 2 more ingredients. But first I have to get my mask. Oh my god. God.
I'm looking for the chump clubby ones. I'm going to find me some chubby kids and...
Oh my god, I think I hear a look behind.
we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Okay, you went to the left side. Now I can look around. Yes, I'm safe now.
Good.
Hey, Maddie.
The most delicious ingredient in the world.
Oh, that's the medallion. I have to drop my mask. Yes, Maddie's gone. Okay, now we have to just put it here. One more piece of... You! I'm safe now. What up, cook?
The most delicious ingredient in the world.
It's a pantry. I can't open it. Okay, so... Oh! There's a red light, green light code. But I don't know what's that for. Let's just check. Oh, locked. Nope. Nope. Let me check in here. No, not even there. Check in here. Not even here. Okay, let's check. Not there. Nope. Okay, it's the other side of the medallion. Oh, I have to put my mask down. Okay, so we got the other side of the medallion. Oh, let me go. Okay, down. up this thing. Oh, this is like some type of clue or something. Okay, I do not need this. Okay, coast is clear. Okay. Mask is on. Oh, what's this one? Oh, a calling room. Maybe I could call Jay. Oh no, let's see. This is me. I can take it off. Hello? Anyone? Jay? I'm still here. Can you please help me? I found this picture. It must be a clue. It is a certificate. I'll be right back. I have to find a certificate. Mini rod. It says Frosty. I think I have to look for that picture now. Mini rod! Now it's my chance. Where's the Frosty? It's not here anywhere. Wait, I think it's in that room. Let me go check. I better be really careful with the mini rods. Not here. I think he's gone. Let me go check. He's in the hallway. I better go check the garage. Be careful. Yes, he's down. I don't see it anywhere. Oh, here. Let me just go get it. Oh, this rods. Okay. I couldn't get that. I know what it is. Okay. Oh, there's a picture. Ah! Yay, he's down. Let me go check the picture.
Intruder inside. A little human namaste.
Frosty ice cream I have to film. I know where this is. There's the picture. Okay. Okay, what is this? It looks like a crank. I think I know where it goes. It goes over there.
You are buried under my feet. It was you who started the war. I don't regret what I did. And now who is knocking on the door?
Good morning. I'm Sister Philippa.
Here you will stay. From this moment on, you will be my slave. Ah!
Oh, what's this? Is this a remote? I think I unlocked something. I better go tell Charlie. Try it now. Okay, I'll try my best. Let me go check the cabinet now. I'm sure it's open. Yay, it's open! The spiciness! Okay. So now we got spiciness. This is going to be great. Okay. So let me go for the sugar. Oh no, mini rod! I have to go this. Oh no, Maddie's there. Okay, let me just go look a little sneaky. Okay, here she's going. I can pour some. Haha, this is great. Okay.
Good.
I tempered the sugar. So I need one more ingredient to be tempered. Can you go check if you can unlock one more door? Okay, I'll try my best. Okay, thanks. Wait, what? Oh, I think I need a key or a pick lock or something. Mike, can you make like a lock pick or something?
Yeah, let me try it. I need tape, file, and a metal plate in order to make the lockpick. Can you find them?
I'll do my best. Where is it? Is it in here? Nope. It's not in there. Where is it? Oh, tape! Let me go give this to Mike.
Oh, thanks. Now I need the file and a metal plate.
Okay. Mini Rod! I have to go get my gun. Okay. I'm not scared of them. You deserve this, Mini Rod! Okay.
Intruder.
One now.
Intruder in sight. A little human has escaped.
Take that! Now I can search for the other items. Is that plate? There it is! I better give it to Mike.
Now I need the file.
Okay, on it. Yeah, that was a close one. Okay, let me get my gun. Okay, let me load it up. Okay, good.
Oh, hello. Don't you want to try my delicious Watching? Come here.
He almost got me. Let me get some more bullets. Okay. I'm ready for a ride. I'm not scared of you, Rod. Hey, Rod! Nice try, Rod. Okay, now you can search the garage for the file. Where is it? Not in there. Oh, there it is. The file. Okay, now I can bring it to Mike. Okay. Mira!
Inside.
Hey, look at that
Has
horse!
escaped.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Yay, it's open! Oh, pantry? Oh, it's a lever! I think I know how to do this. Yay, done! Let me go call Charlie. Charlie, go check the pantry now. Hello? Okay, I'll go check it out. Okay, you don't have any. Yay, found the eggs!
Good.
Tasty. The most delicious ingredient in the world.
See it? He's distracted. Oh. Okay. Okay. I just have to get her key. Okay, I got the key. Okay, let's just go. Yes. Hey guys.
Charlie! Fantastic! We're back together.
Oh, man.
Well, now we just need to find Liz.
Okay, well, in that case, I have something very important to do first. Fine. Jay and I are gonna start. Don't take too long.
See what Johny Shows next. See what Johny Shows next.